Hello, and welcome back to Learning English with Minecraft, the series where I teach English while trying to survive in Minecraft. And once again, I played a little bit in between my last video and this video. And right now, it's nighttime, so I'll go to sleep, but in the morning, I'll show you what I did. Sleep. Oh, there are monsters? I need a sword. Where are the monsters? There you are. Once again, we're starting the episode with a zombie in my garden, which is awesome. Open the door. Whoa. Listen. They changed the sound of the doors. It sounds different. Sleep. Okay, it's morning. So the first thing that I did off camera was build this staircase right here. This wooden staircase. Hello, Egbert. And this staircase leads up here. This is a little balcony. And these are fence gates that can open, and close. So I put these fence gates right here so that Egbert doesn't escape. Egbert can't jump over these fence gates. So he's stuck inside. But this is a balcony. This is a little balcony for fishing. So I can go fishing up here and no monsters can attack me because I'm up here on the roof. There's a lantern hanging from this wooden block here and right here as well. Egbert laid another egg. Eggs right now in the United States are super expensive. So I wish I had Egbert in real life. Out here, we have this. So, get out of here. I'm not really sure what this is that I've been building, but maybe it's some kind of castle. This is called scaffolding. This is scaffolding. And I've been using this scaffolding to go up here, like this, to go up and work on my building. There's nothing inside yet. It's completely empty. I can also use scaffolding. I can use the scaffolding to go back down. Up and down. Up and down. The scaffolding is very useful for building. And the final thing that I did off camera was move the mine. So, do you remember in my previous Minecraft videos, there was a mine right here? Well, not anymore, no. I moved it over here, right here. This mine is 1, 2, 3 blocks wide. And that's because I want to build a minecart and a rail that go down there to the bottom of the world so that I can go back and forth between the surface and the bottom of the world to search for diamonds very quickly. And that brings me to the next thing that I want to talk about. In this video, once again, I am going to search for diamonds. This time, I have a plan. The last time that I went searching for diamonds, I went far away, far away. And I ended up dying underground in a cave. This time, I'm going to search for diamonds down here in my mine. It's close to my house, and it's mostly safe. So I'm going to go down here, and I'll show you the mine. So this is the first stop, and this is mostly for collecting stone and andesite and coal and a little bit of gold as well, but mostly for stone. And the mine continues down this way. Down here, this is the second stop. So this is mostly for collecting copper and iron. And the mine once again continues down here. This way. Oh, there's some iron. Iron is always good. And this is where I stopped digging, because right here, the mine runs into a cave. Look at this. And as always, there are tons of monsters in the cave. So for right now, I'm going to forget about the cave. I'm going to forget about the cave and continue digging down here in my mine. Oh, there's water dripping from the ceiling. Uh-oh, zombie. I'm going to block off this cave. There we go. Just like that. In the future, I'll go exploring this cave, but not right now. Right now, I want to find diamonds without dying. I'm probably going to fast forward through most of this footage of me digging because it's very boring. My pickaxe broke. Let's see. I have 4 pickaxes remaining. But this one's also almost broken. So really only 3. After digging all the way to the bottom of the world, I'll have a lot of stone to build my castle up there. Aha! Diamonds! 2 diamonds. 3 diamonds. 3 diamonds. All right. 3 diamonds. Let's get out my iron pickaxe and collect them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! All right. Now we have 3 diamonds. That's enough to build a pickaxe. But let's keep going. Okay. 2 pickaxes remaining. Oh my lord. Zombies. Where did he come from? Where did that zombie come from? Oh no. Only 1 pickaxe left. All right, on to the final pickaxe. Another torch. Ooh, that was another scary sound. Oh, there goes the last pickaxe. I do have this iron pickaxe, but this is my last iron pickaxe, and I want to use my iron pickaxe to mine diamonds, because I can't mine diamonds with a stone pickaxe. So for now, I'm going back up to the surface, and I'm going to build a diamond pickaxe with these 3 diamonds that I found down here. All right, here we are at the surface. Time to go to sleep because once again, it's nighttime. Egbert! Egbert is on the bed. All right, Egbert, it's my time to sleep. Okay, here we go. 2 sticks and 1, 2, 3 diamonds makes a diamond pickaxe. And there we go. My first diamond tool. So now that I have this diamond pickaxe, I'm going back down to the mine to continue digging down. You see, gravel falls. If you put a torch underneath gravel, watch. It breaks when it hits the torch. Hey, more diamonds. 2 more diamonds. The next thing that I'm going to build out of diamonds is a diamond sword. A diamond sword only takes 2 diamonds, so this is already enough to build a diamond sword. 3 diamonds, 4 diamonds. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 diamonds, okay. Amazing. Let's see. So if I wanted to build all of the different diamond tools, I would need 2 diamonds for the sword, 3 diamonds for the axe, so 5 total, and one for the shovel, 1 for the diamond shovel, and 2 for a diamond hoe. So 8 diamonds in total. Right now I have 4 diamonds, so I need to find twice as many diamonds. La, 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 la. Okay, here we are. This is bedrock, which means we're at the bottom. Now that we're at the bottom of the world, I'm going to start by digging a long tunnel, both this way and this way. Whoa. No way. You're kidding me. No way, hold on. Is this my old staircase? No way. Yeah. It is. Yeah. I remember this bridge. This is my old staircase that I covered up. Wow. Whoa. Diamonds. Wow. Okay, I need to be careful. Diamonds. Yes. Wonderful. 2 more diamonds. Okay. I'm scared now that I have 6 diamonds. Wow. I can't believe that my new staircase right here, ended up right next to my old staircase right here. It's getting a little bit dark. Watch this. Boom. Light. It's just like I used a torch. Same thing. Not only are diamond pickaxes a lot stronger than stone pickaxes and take longer to break, but they also mine a lot faster. Watch. Diamond pickaxe. Stone pickaxe. The diamond pickaxe is a lot faster. More diamonds! There we go. Wonderful. Now we should have enough to build all the diamond tools. 3 diamonds. At least 3. 4 diamonds. 5 diamonds. Wow. Okay, that's all of them. We have 11 diamonds now. This time has been a lot more successful than my last adventure searching for diamonds. Okay, so now I've dug this main tunnel, and from this main tunnel, I can start digging offshoots to the sides, like right here. More lava. No! Oh no! Block. I'll go over 1, 2, 3 blocks and start digging right here. Oh geez. More lava. This side is really dangerous, so I'm going to dig on this side right here. Torch. 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 It's a good trick. Torch. Oh. Oh, whoa. Uh-oh. Jeez. Mining underground is very dangerous. Iron. All right. And more lava, of course. Always more lava. I've started 4 offshoots. 4 offshoots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so far, each offshoot has led to lava, 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 and lava. Okay. I'm going to go back up to the surface, back to my house, and build the rest of the diamond tools. Now that I lit up this island, monsters don't spawn here. All right, so now I'm going to build a diamond sword, a diamond axe, a diamond shovel, and a diamond hoe. And there we go. Now I have all the diamond tools. So I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, you could hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. And also, I recently published a new song. I'll put a little clip at the end of this video so you can listen, and if you like it, you can listen to the whole song by clicking up here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.